So fourth A, today we are going to start Unit 2 of our textbook. And what is the name of the Unit 2? My Beautiful World. And in this beautiful world, we have got so many beautiful things. And one of the most beautiful things is time. What is it? Time. And we all have a habit of wasting time and sometimes doing a lot of things in one time. Yes or no? Acha, tell me, how many of you watch TV and eat food together? Yes? Now you don't? Because yesterday I told you?
Yes.
Very nice. So, many of us do many things together. Like I have to take attendance, I have to think of what I have to teach, I have to think of what I have to make in dinner. So what I'm doing at a time? I'm thinking of teaching also, I'm thinking of dinner also, I'm taking attendance also. So in such situations what happens? We are doing a lot of things in one time and we are not able to do our best at any work. Okay? In any work we won't be able to give our best. So we have got a poem which is trying to tell the importance of doing one thing at a time. बहुत सारी चीजें एक साथ करोगे तो पजल हो जाओगे और कोई एक भी चीज को परफेक्टली नहीं कर पाओगे, right? So the name of the poem is One Thing at a Time. So what we should do? We should do only one thing at a time. Let's see what is the poem trying to say. Work while you work, play while you play, to be useful and happy, that is the way. So when you are working, what you should do? Work. When you are playing, what you should do? Play. So when you are working, do not think of playing. Do not try to play along. कि अच्छा मैं handwriting भी कर रही हूँ, ठीक है, चलो zero काटा भी खेल देते हैं. You started, मैं handwriting करते करते मेरी जब turn आएगी, मैं काटा लगा दूँगी, मैं zero लगा दूँगी. No. When you are working, at that time your focus should be totally on working. And when you are playing, at that time your focus should be only on playing, right? So when you mix things, then you are not able to do any of the things properly. Work करते time, if you start thinking of playing, तो work properly नहीं होगा. And at the time of playing, if you think कि मैं खेलते खेलते मम्मी ने बोला बेटा यहाँ से झाड़ू लगा देना. अच्छा मम्मी बस एक बार बैटिंग करके आती हूँ ना, ठीक है, बैटिंग करके आऊंगी, जैसे मैं आउट हो जाऊंगी मैं यहाँ झाड़ू लगा दूंगी. भाई फील्डिंग भी तो करनी है, उसके बाद बॉलिंग भी तो करनी है, राइट? सो व्हेन यू आर प्लेइंग, फोकस ओनली ऑन प्लेइंग, बट व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग, फोकस ओनली ऑन वर्किंग. यस, सो सिंग विद मी. वर्क व्हाइल यू वर्क, प्ले व्हाइल यू प्ले, टू बी यूजफुल एंड हैप्पी, दैट इज द वे. Yes, to be useful and happy, that is the way. So if you want to be happy, so you should do only one thing at a time. And if you want to be useful also, अब तुमने decide किया कि we will do only one thing at a time. Work करना है तो मेरे को handwriting दिया ना मैम ने. So I will focus totally on my work, है ना? I will check the spellings also. I will check the letter formation also. I will check that I am writing properly in lines. That too. So when you are doing only writing work at a time, you are not thinking about anything else. तो कैसी होगी handwriting? Tell me. Will it be good or bad? Good. Will it be good or excellent? Excellent. Yes, you will excel in that work when you do it with full focus, right? So to be useful and happy, and when you do excellent work, how do you feel? Happy. So when you do excellent work, you automatically feel happy. So work while you work and play while you play, to be useful and happy,
That is the way.
yes. Let's see what the poem is trying to tell next. All that you do with all your might. So as I told you, जो भी कर रहे हो, ठीक है, let's imagine मम्मा ने बोला बेटा यूटेंसिल्स को क्लीन कर दो. तुम्हें टेंशन आ रही है, मुझे तो टीवी देखना था, तो तुमने कहा अच्छा जल्दी से कर देते हो, और करे और चले गए, राइट? बट व्हेन मम्मा सेड दैट प्लीज क्लीन द यूटेंसिल्स, तुमने फोकस किया, मेरे एक भी यूटेंसिल में कुछ भी गंदा नहीं रहना चाहिए, राइट? तो तुमने पूरा अच्छे से फुल अटेंशन के साथ किया, तो वो जो टास्क है ना यूटेंसिल्स क्लीन करने का, उसमें भी मजा आने लगेगा, राइट? सो व्हाटएवर यू डू, गिव योर बेस्ट. ऑल दैट यू do with देखना था तो फुल स्पीड से जिक 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 करा, पहुंच गए टीवी के आगे। अब यहाँ से आवाज आती है, किसकी आवाज आती है? मम्मा की। क्या बोलती है? ये क्या किया है तुमने आशीष, ग्लास देखो जरा, नीचे देखो, ये इज इट क्लीन? फिर तरुणवीर बोलता है नहीं मम्मा मैंने तो अच्छे से क्लीन किया था। फिर मम्मा बोलती है अच्छा टीवी देखना ना तुम्हें, टीवी बंद तुम्हारा। राइट, दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस, राइट? सो वी शुड नॉट डू एनीथिंग विद हाफ्स। हाफ मींस आधा, हाफ मींस आधा। तो आधा क्या है? विद योर हाफ अटेंशन, विद योर हाफ हार्ट। तो हम बोलते हैं ना डोंट डू एनीथिंग हाफ हार्टेडली, डू इट विद फुल हार्ट, गिव इट योर बेस्ट। यस, so all that you do with all your might. Things done by half are never done right. Yes, one thing at a time. So what we should do one thing at a time, and that done well. अब मैंने हैंडराइटिंग का एग्जांपल दिया था ना, तुमने बेस्ट करके लिखा and automatically you gave your 100%, your full attention also. तो अब खुद भी जब देखोगे ना बोलोगे अरे मैंने लिखा है। If you're doing one thing at a time and that done well, वो by default है that it will turn out to be well. ऐसा नहीं कि सोचना पड़ेगा। Is a very good rule as many can tell. Whether you read any stories, whether you ask your mama, papa, you ask anyone in the world. ठीक है? एक बार पूछ के देखना घर जाके कि मम्मा आज टीवी देखते देखते मैं होमवर्क कर लूं अपना। किस किस के पेरेंट्स अलाउ करेंगे? करेंगे yes or no? तो फिर even parents are telling the same, grandparents will also tell the same, teachers are telling the same, and now our textbook is also telling the same. So one thing at a time, and that done well is a very good rule as many can tell. है ना? ठीक है। So moments should never be trifled away. Trifled away means उसको ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए they are not important. कोई चीज जब important नहीं होती है ना, we trifle away. तो moments means time. Moments means time. So जो time है we should not trifle away. उसको waste नहीं होने देना ये सोच के कि it is not important. Time is important or not? Important. It is important. Yes. So moments should never be trifled away. So work while you work and
Play while you play.
very good. Let's quickly sing it together. Have you all understood?
Yes.
ठीक है. Those who have understood, they will sing with me nicely. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Work while you work, play while you play.
Work while you work, play while you play.
To be useful and happy, that is the way.
To be useful and happy, that is the way.
All that you do with all your might.
All that you do
with all
your might.
things done by halves are never done right. Things done by halves are
Never done right.
one thing at a time, and that done well. One thing at a time, and
That done well
is a very good rule as many can tell.
is a very
Good rule as many can.
tell.
Moments should never be trifled away.
Moments should never
Be trifled.
away.
So work while you work and play while you play.
Work while you work and play while you play.
Did you all understand the poem?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all enjoy the poem?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me quickly in one sentence, what is this boy doing?
Start work.
Raise your arms to answer. Yes, Ashish. Full sentence. The boy.
Studying.
Acha, in studying also, what is he doing? Is he reading or writing?
Writing.
So full sentence. The boy
The boy
is
writing.
writing. Very good. All right. So what is this lady doing? Who is this lady? Can you guess?
Teacher.
You think she's a teacher? Okay. So she's a teacher, and what is she doing? Can anyone tell me? Yes or no?
She teaches.
I'm asking what is she doing? And yesterday I taught you, ing is coming, so we'll answer like that only. Yes or no? What is she doing? Try again. the student. All right. And what is this clock trying to say to this boy? What is this clock trying to say to this boy? Yes, Aditya.
You save the time.
Okay, the clock is saying, according to Aditya, the clock is saying save the time. Okay, yes or no?
The clock is see the time.
Okay, clock is saying see the time. What else can we add? Yes, Vaishnavi.
The clock say very good.
Okay, the clock is saying very good. Is the clock showing thumbs up or like this it is doing? Is it thumbs up or like this? Okay, I don't think this is thumbs up because thumb is here. Look. Thumb is here. Holding. So is this thumbs up? Or doing like this? It's thumb is here now. Who is saying thumbs up? मोनीश मैंने दिखा तो दिया ये थंब ऐसे टर्न ऐसे अगर हम कर रहे हैं तो ये थंब ही है ना तो इधर से आएगा बाकी सारे फिंगर्स तो इधर से आ रही हैं yes or no मोनीश फिर तो thumbs up नहीं है it is pointing like this why it is pointing like this can anyone tell me this yes Ravi
He telling boy not waste the time.
okay the clock is telling the boy not to waste the time but why do you think he is wasting time what is the boy doing जिसकी वजह से clock has come out and telling something like this what is the boy doing observe carefully yes Ridyansh
Boy is writing and
is he what is he doing right now he is writing but is this the right way to write is he doing it the best as the poem is saying work while you work play while you work play is he doing that is he focusing on one thing at a time so that's why the clock has come out and saying no do not trifle away time do only one thing at a time very good now what about this girl is she doing one thing at a time okay yes I am what is she doing
she is eating apple and reading the notebook.
very good so she is eating apple also and she is reading book also many a times what we do मम्मा भूख लग रही है मम्मा ने एप्पल दे दिया ठीक है अब हम तो रीड कर रहे हैं हम बहुत टैलेंटेड है अब रीड करते करते एप्पल खा लिया एप्पल में थे बॉम्ब्स और रीड करते करते क्या और खा लिया एप्पल के साथ बॉम्ब्स भी या फिर एप्पल पे पूरा ध्यान वो एप्पल इज परफेक्ट राइट उसको बाइट करते रहे खाते रहे वो सो यम्मी अच्छा वापस रीडिंग पे 4 लाइंस मिस हो गई उसके नीचे रीड करना स्टार्ट कर दिया और कल टेस्ट होना था फिर क्या होगा so is this the right way of doing things so what will you tell to this girl can anyone wants to tell anything yes Vaishnavi
She is
you have to tell to her tell her hey listen
hey listen why are you do one thing
why are you doing
one
two
things at the time
do only one thing either close your book and eat or only read your book and eat later yes or no all right what about this girl acha does she look happy yes acha Arush tell me what is she doing
the girl is playing
with the skipping rope right so we can also say she is skipping the girl is
skipping
so when she is doing only one thing at a time do you find her happy
yes ma'am
yes or no
yes ma'am
so the poem is telling all the poem is telling trying to tell us is look at this boy and look at this girl who both of them are looking happy because they are focusing on only one work at a time so the poem is all about work while you work and play while you play have you all understood
yes
very good clap yourself for yourself everyone